Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this beautiful natural makeup look in under 5 minutes using products by Beret Beauty. I have no makeup on because I do want to use all of these products today to show you how I can get a full look. Now these were sent to me by Beret Beauty, but again, my full honest opinion, I have not used these products yet, so this will be a first impression. And the idea behind Beret Beauty is less is more. It is a very minimalistic type of beauty approach when it comes to their products. They are very minimal, and that's what I love about them. This brand was founded during the COVID pandemic, and the idea behind it is that really none of us have been applying that much makeup. I know for me, I barely apply makeup these days, probably a little bit of concealer, some mascara, and a little bit of lip gloss, and I'm out the door. Just with wearing masks, I don't see a point in applying foundation, so this really sounded so perfect, and I can't wait to get into it and kind of review it for you guys. All first orders come with this really cute, unique bag. Now this is a reusable makeup bag. You can wash it, and it is really used to be washed over and over again, and it's very sustainable, but really unique. I have never seen a bag quite like this for makeup before. Now this is a luxury brand. They are clean and cruelty free. I do have the entire collection minus the brush. They were out of stock of the brush, but I'm gonna go ahead and use my own brush. Now first, we'll talk about the Minimalist. This one is both a foundation as well as a concealer, and you're only supposed to apply it where you need it. It's just really a foundation stick, but you can also use it as a concealer as well. And you're supposed to really apply it onto red areas, around your eyes, kind of wherever you need it, and buff it in. And it's supposed to have a very luxurious and silky type of formula. This does come in 20 shades, and I got the shade Sand. I felt that this one would complement my skin tone the best, but it does come in various different shades as well. Next we have the Flush Balm, and this one is a beautiful blush, and it comes in this little pot. You kind of just apply it onto your cheeks. It's really, really beautiful. I love the packaging to these. Now I have the color Raspberry Beret. Next we have Day Glow, and this is a highlighting balm. And this one does come in 2 different shades. I chose the shade Cava. And now there's also a pinkish type of tone. This is more of a champagne type of shade. This one is packed with squalene and olive oil, and its jellified base replenishes lost moisture and plumps the skin as well. Next we have a lip oil. This one is called Shade Slick, and this one also comes in 4 different shades. I have the shade, let's see here, Pink Beet. This one just seemed like a very everyday type of shade. This tinted lip oil has rosehip oil, shea butter, grapeseed, and avocado oil that nourishes the lips, and it's supposed to replenish lost moisture as well. And then of course we have some mascara. This one is called Clean Lash, and this is of course in a black shade. And it looks like so. This is supposed to lengthen and separate your lashes, and it's not waterproof, but it's still very clean, and I'm really excited to use this and try it out and see if I like it. Lastly, we have a brow product. This one comes in 3 shades, and it is a brush-on brow gel. This one is in shade Brown. And those are all of the products. Really loving the packaging. So let's go ahead and zoom you guys in and let's try these out. First, let's start off with the Minimalist Complexion Stick. And I'm just really going to apply this where I need it. So let's see, around my nose area. Definitely around my eyes. Ooh, this glides on very beautifully. My chin here, just around here, have some redness around my mouth right there. I'm going to use this Chanel Kabuki brush and just blend all of that in. Wow, this looks really pretty. I'm loving how this just completely melts into your skin. It looks so natural. And there we go. Wow, I am so surprised. That blended in literally in under a minute. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows. So let's go ahead and use this brow product. Just brush it into my eyebrows. And there's my eyebrows all done. I do have naturally thick eyebrows, so on a day-to-day basis I might apply some powder and just use a gel product to keep my eyebrows nice and fluffy. But I feel like this is a two-in-one product. It has that powdery type of feel, and it also has a gel right in there. It looks really pretty and natural, so I'm liking this product. Let's apply some color to my cheeks. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this blush product on my cheeks. Oh, really pretty color. This does look pretty natural. All right, using a brush does help kind of disperse that color just a little bit more. I love how beautifully these products just kind of sink into your skin. And they look so natural. Beautiful flush of color to your cheeks, and it still looks pretty natural. Let's apply some highlighter. So just the high points of my skin. This glides on beautifully. Oh, it feels so nice. Look at that natural glow. It doesn't have a powdery finish either. Just looks so beautiful. Now we're gonna apply some mascara. Beautiful. Look at how awake that makes me look. That is 2 coats, and I feel like it looks so lengthening and so natural. One more thing, I want to experiment some more with this one and just apply just a little bit onto my finger and use it as an eyeshadow. I feel like that's the one thing that is missing. So the texture is so smooth and easy to kind of play around with. This definitely doubles up as an eyeshadow. Now I'm going to apply some of this lip oil. Wow, this feels really nice on the lips. It's not sticky or really thick either. It just glides on beautifully. And that is my finished makeup look. Literally would take me under 5 minutes to do. This is perfect for those mornings where you just do not have time to spend on doing your makeup, but you still want to look presentable, and it looks really, really pretty. I love it. I love this lip oil. It feels so nice on the lips. I'm so surprised. I really am. I did not expect to love these products as much as I do. I particularly love the Minimalist stick. The formula to this is gorgeous. It really glides onto the skin, and I love just how invisible it looks, but it still has so much coverage, and you only apply it where you need it and you're good to go. So gorgeous. I love the way my makeup looks today, and this is definitely going to be my go-to every day from now on. I love these products. I don't think I can choose one product that I love or that's my favorite. I mean, obviously the lip oil, that's like a go-to, but all of these products kind of go hand in hand together to create this gorgeous, easy, minimalistic, natural look. I feel like this is perfect. I do have a link below in my description box if you guys are interested in any of these products. Be sure to check it out. And that is my 5-minute makeup routine using Beret beauty products. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.